Hello guys, it's Alex here. So I'll be showing you how to host your free project on Vercel for your clients um, or your team members or anybody out there. So you need basically three things. You need your GitHub account, you need your Vercel account, and you need your script. So let's dive right in. Now this is a very simple page that I did with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it's just a simple one to help us go straight into what we want to learn. Now, the first thing we are going to do is go into your GitHub account. So you register a GitHub account. If you are not yet a member, you click on your create account and you register your account. Now, when you are signed in, at the left hand side you see new. There's a new button there. Then at the repository name, repository is just like a building that everybody lives in. So you have a building for each of your scripts. So you can give it a name. Mine is going to be Typer. Now that's the name of my project. Now you choose if you want it to be public or you want it to be private. Now I'm going to select private because I alone would tell the people that I want it to view the script. Then you can put your description, which is a typing web or something. Then create your repository. Now we are almost done. Then right here you can see uploading an existing file. You can decide to create or import the ones you've done. So I'll go right to uploading an existing file. So what I'll do next is I'll go inside my project. This is my project here. Then I'm going to drag, or probably you can import or anything. I'm going to drag it in here. Then you can see here it's saying uploading. Then once it's done, you'll see a list of all the files you've imported so far. Then you can commit changes. You can say I added files from my local host to my Git or something, anything. Then you can commit your changes. Committing changes means you are adding changes, you are actually giving them effect. Let's say, okay, this is what you did, then you add it to it. Now you can see here I added files from my local host to my GitHub account or something. Now we are done with this. So the next thing we are going to do is go into your Vercel app. Then you log in or you create an account, but you need to log in with your GitHub account. If you are not logged in with your GitHub account, you can still connect your GitHub account later. So at the right hand side you see add new project. You select that. Then at the left hand side you're going to be seeing a whole lot of projects that you have in your GitHub repository. You can see PHP online admission system that I did 4 minutes ago. You can see Typer that I did just now, which is what I did in my GitHub account. Then you can click on import. Now it gives you this to show you like a preview of what you want to do, and Vercel will be asking you, oh, how do you want me to set up this account? What do you want me to do? Let me see what you have so far. Then this framework means what is that framework that you use, the framework programming that you use in developing this app. So you can choose. They have a whole lot, but if you feel that your programming language or framework rather is not among this list, then you can click on other. Vercel will automatically get which languages you are using and process it on the go. So I'll click on deploy. Now it's deploying. That's showing you are almost done. Then once it's done, it's going to show you a page and say, oh fine, it's done, you are done with this, you are done with that, and your app is connected. Now don't forget what Vercel is doing is Vercel is grabbing your GitHub account, the one you uploaded, is importing from GitHub into your Vercel account. So it's as easy as that. So whenever you have any application you want to set up online or you want to send to a client, and your client is yet to buy an hosting or domain, or you can even host your portfolios there, then you can go straight into Vercel app and do that. You can continue to dashboard. It's going to give you a breakdown of what you have in your production. As you can see here, production deployment. Now this is your deployment URL. this is your domain URL, while this is your account Vercel URL to the app. Now, if you click on this place right here, this is like the URL that is created for your app. As you can see here, this one is very similar to what I have here as well. It's just the same thing, just that this one belongs to my computer, while this one I can send it to anybody on the internet. Probably you are inside Nigeria or outside Nigeria, I can send it to you anywhere you are. But this one keeps working and stays on my laptop till probably whatever time I want to do it, or I want to leave it there. So that's the difference. So we have it here, typer.vercel.app. Now, it doesn't stop here. You can also decide to change the URL as well. In the settings, you can do a whole lot of things here. You can decide to change the name, or to even integrate a new domain there. You understand? So you have a whole lot of things to work with here. So